Hi everybody, this is Noelle from Petitti Garden Centers, and we're out here on a mild day in March, and we're going to start talking about pruning here. And this is a great time, late winter, early spring, to get out there, see the shape of your plants before all of the leaves and everything come back out, and so you can do a really nice job of pruning. And one of the most often questions that we do get is, how do I prune my hydrangeas? Well, I'm going to show you today how to prune a Panicle Hydrangea. So Panicle Hydrangeas, there's lots of them. We love them in this area because they're probably one of the easiest varieties of hydrangeas to grow. The Panicle varieties are the ones that you see that are tree form, okay? So a hydrangea tree, when you see those are Panicle Hydrangeas. Reason being, they're super, super cold hardy. They can survive as a tree form, they can survive as a bush form, no problem. And they actually bloom on new wood. So when you have a hydrangea that produces all new growth, all new buds and blooms on new wood, you can prune them really, really hard late winter, early spring. So that's what we're going to show you. The Panicle Hydrangeas, behind me we have a row of them. And what we normally advise at this time of year is prune them to a rounded shape, okay? And you want to envision a basketball, okay? So a nice rounded mound. And if you look at this guy, he's probably 3 foot tall. And so you think, my gosh, that's going to be a real small shrub when we get done. Yes, it is, okay? So it's good to prune them. It's good to get out all of that old wood because, again, they just bloom so much better on new wood, new production of that plant. There's one other hydrangea that actually you can do this with as well, and it's the Smooth Hydrangea. So if you grow smooth hydrangeas like Anabelle, Invincibelle Spirit, Incrediball, and we've got some little ones too, Mini Mauvette and so forth, those can also be pruned very, very low to the ground. And we're talking like 6 inches tall, okay, from the ground. So again, I'm going to go through this. I'm going to trim this Panicle Hydrangea. I forgot to mention some varieties. So if you grow Panicle Hydrangea, you would have a hydrangea named Bobo, Limelight, Little Lime, QuickFire, Firelight, Vanilla Strawberry. There's a lot of them out there. So just keep in mind they have those big conical sort of clustered panicles on them. Okay, so we're gonna get pruning. Pruning here, I'm just gonna again start at the base and just take out everything as we go around. Cleaned off my pruners with some rubbing alcohol before I got started, and we'll show you the results.